truck driver John Doe is heading towards a delivery in hazardous winter driving conditions. As he grips the steering wheel, he scans the ice-covered city boulevard ahead while creeping along at 20 miles per hour. The road at midday is nearly empty, but for a straight truck approaching crossways at the next intersection. John Doe assesses the situation. He knows he has the right-of-way and believes the other driver is also moving at a careful pace. The other driver attempts to obey the stop sign, only to slide into the middle of the intersection. Doe still believes he has time to stop and lightly applies his brakes to maintain traction. The slick road surface thwarts this effort, and his tractor-trailer slides into the side of the straight truck. Was this accident preventable or not? Upon review, the National Safety Council ruled it was preventable. The Council acknowledged that it's unreasonable to expect a trucker to slow down at every intersection, but given the icy conditions, Doe should have attempted to brake much sooner. He should have anticipated the other trucker's inability to stop and his own possible problems of coming to a halt.